Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are in South Lake Tahoe at the Three Peak Resort and Spa Hotel, and I just wanted to give you guys a quick room tour of one of their rooms here. This room costs about 70 Canadian a night, so super inexpensive, and it's actually pretty nice for where we are. And yeah, keep in mind we are leaving. Normally, I do my room tours before we actually mess up the room, but we're actually on our way out. So the room might be a bit messy, but nonetheless, you'll get an idea of what it looks like, the size, and so forth. So let's get into it. So first things first, that's the door you enter through here. Right off the bat, on your right hand side is the washroom. This is what the washroom looks like. Toilet, basic shower. Don't really have a soaker tub. This is just a basic washroom, and that's that. Very small. Then you come out here and you have a sink and mirror lights. So the lighting is actually really good for makeup. And yeah, there's my Four Loko. So now you enter the living space. Here we have a lounge chair, table. We have the TV here. We have a little work area in the corner. That's the heater slash AC, depending on what season you're here. We're here in the winter time, so yeah. Over here we have the bed. Like I said, we're literally leaving, so it's messy, but pretty big size bed. Two side tables and two side lamps, and that's pretty much it. Very small, very cozy, and very inexpensive, if anyone is wondering. Okay, if you have any question for this place or about this place, leave it in the comment section below and I will be more than happy to answer. Until next time, guys, bye. Over here we have a pool that actually works in the winter time, which is awesome. And this is the other side. Our rooms was over there, 118 I think.
Okay, Auntie.